On today's doggo menu, there is chicken. And of course, they get their probiotics, vitamins, and more chicken. Husker loves dinner time. He can't retain his excitement. Here we go. How many times can Husker do the hoppers? Hoppity hops. Chester, on the other hand, has been a very good boy and is waiting for his food patiently. And here goes another Husker frame. Will he hop? Hop. Husker doesn't really talk unless he's excited for some food. He is partially blind and he is a mute for the most part, but he does love talking when he is ready for food.
I gotta feed you. This little wolf thing depends on us to feed it.
What were you saying? While Chester waits at a good distance for the first time in many times, Chester's usually right next to the food. Face right next to it. Like, right next to it. But this Husker is the one finally being impatient, waiting excitedly, and just doesn't understand why he still doesn't have a bowl of food right in his face. Hop. Oh man. Here he comes. They're just gonna dive right in, no waiting. And moment of truth. Do they love their meal? Bum bum bum. Yeah!